Is your HVAC system running constantly but still struggling to keep your home comfortable? Are your energy bills creeping up and repairs becoming more and more frequent? It might be time for a replacement. Most heating and cooling systems last between 10 and 15 years. After that, you're often spending more money keeping an old system alive than it would cost to invest in something new. At Vining Heating and Air, we make the replacement process simple and stress-free. We start with a free on-site estimate, give you a transparent, itemized quote with no hidden fees, and handle the entire installation from start to finish. We'll size the system correctly for your home, inspect your ductwork, and walk you through everything before we leave. The result is better comfort, quieter operation, lower energy bills, and the peace of mind that comes with reliable, modern equipment. We proudly serve homeowners throughout South Metro Atlanta, Locust Grove, McDonough, Stockbridge, Hampton, Conyers, and beyond. Call Vining Heating and Air today at 678-759-2685 to schedule your free estimate.